Hi guys, thanks for coming to my YouTube channel. Follow along as I make this beautiful painting. Here I'm just making a border on the sheet between which I'll draw the painting. In one of the corners of the sheet, I'm gonna draw a face, lips and a nose. You don't have to be perfect, so don't be scared to erase and draw as you ballpark of what looks right to you. And then with a round 1-point brush, I'm gonna run blue color over the pencil. I am covering half the sheet with blue and half the sheet with the green, yellow and white mixed. As an artist, you're always looking for inspiration, and that's the story behind this painting as well. I saw this painting at a cafe and I immediately think I can make my version of this painting. I couldn't figure out the artist's name, but if you're seeing this, thank you so much for inspiring me. Here I'm covering the rest of the sheet with a tint of olive green. I made this color by mixing green, yellow and a little bit of white. I am using the filbert style brush here. I am painting random vertical lines with green, white and black. This original painting did have texture on it. Since I'm doing it on a paper, I did not use the texture, but if I ever get a chance to make a full size painting of this, I would definitely use some textures. Comment below if you want to see the textured version of it. I am also using the dry brush technique in random places. Comment below if you need a tutorial for the dry brush. For the face, I mixed brown and white. While I painted it, it did cover the pencil marks, but no worries, I can paint it again. If you watched my video so far, please give me a thumbs up. It creates engagement and helps my video reach a bigger audience. I painted the lips red, white and used blue for the nose and for the lips. I'm using golden pen here and smudging it in places, but you can use golden paint if you have with the dry brush effect. Again, thanks for watching. Subscribe.